Yes, it's been a fantastic experience talking to the students here today. They've been very enthusiastic and keen to ask questions, and hopefully I've helped them out by giving them some answers.
Ond erbyn heddiw, mae'n waith caled yn mynd i ddim wneud meddygaeth, a mae'n braf jyst medru helpu pobl i gyrraedd hynny ac illa gobeithio wedi cael nhw'n mynd i wneud meddygaeth dyn yn dyfodol.
I enjoyed the question and answer session along with the medical student from Cardiff who was doing it with me, because it gave me an opportunity to just sort of share with them the stuff that I wish I'd known when I was at their stage now.
A sticfeddi ac hyd yn oed os ydyn nhw ddim yn pedagogu i mewn i'r ysgol feddygol tro cyntaf, os ydyn nhw, os ydyn nhw eisiau gwneud, yn sticio'r efo a trio eto. Mae'n nifer fawr o bobl lle bod ddim yn cael ei mewn tro cyntaf.
We are hoping we've got a new one-year scheme that some Year 3 students are doing, where they actually spend a whole year in either West Wales or North Wales.
Dwi'n credu'n iawn bod mae'n rhaid i'r cyfle i bobl ifanc sy'n yr ardal, i'r cyfle iddyn nhw fod ar yr un stage as yna i bobl arall ar draws Prydain, really, a mae'n rhaid hwn yn bobl Cymru yn briliant.
We actively encourage applications from people all over the UK who maybe have no background in medicine or going to university.
Mae gennym ni griw da sydd yn astudio trwy gyfrwng y Gymraeg. Da ni wedi bod yn cynnal am y tro cyntaf flwyddyn yma, cynllun o ran y doctoriaid yfory, a ystyr hynna fod disgyblion blwyddyn 12 yn gallu dod at ei gilydd ac i gael cefnogaeth gan fyfyriwr meddygol o Brifysgol Caerdydd.
I've just said to a number of the school students, I was the first person in my family to go to university. There was nobody medical at all, as was Francis.
As was
so
I.
So it's absolutely possible.
Yeah.
And it's about making people believe it's possible and also showing them the practical steps they can take to significantly improve their chances. And the fact they've come along today, I think, is an important first step. I've looked at some of the information you've given them, which is fantastic, and which is very practical, sensible, genuine information about applying to medical school, with which the students, by the way, are concurring and saying.
Look inside yourself and think what you enjoy doing. I think you have to be academic to a certain extent and have a good memory and be able to think on your feet, but I think if you enjoy talking to people, listening, being with people, that would be something I would say. Go with your heart and enjoy life, because I think medicine is a career that you can continue to enjoy for the rest of your working life.
Yeah. Well, it was great to see so many school kids here who actually are thinking about doing medicine and hopefully will go on and be successful to do medicine. And thank you, Dylan, for giving this opportunity for them to think about general practice at a really early stage in their careers as well, and hopefully that will really increase our recruitment into general practice in the future.